I wanna.
I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with your
I
bitch,
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Hey, tryna get you rich,
I do what
nigga.
I
Hey, tell her use a
I
lips,
do what I
nigga.
wanna.
Ooh, I might break that hoe.
I do what I want.
I do me and you are
I
you,
do.
nigga. And you can't tell me who to
I
screw,
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Who we getting money?
I do.
You can't tell me shit.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my video. It's your girl Baby Bree, okay, and we back with another video. Today I'm going to be reinstalling my curly hair. I'm not for sure how I want to style it, if I want to do middle part, side part, just a natural look, who knows. You know, you just gotta stay tuned to the video to see how I'm gonna style it. But the way how I do my hair, you guys, I literally apply a amount of 5 coats, let it dry completely, and install my wig, because I noticed my wig do not move, it don't lift. And I had my last install for 10 days, well actually 11 days, almost 2 weeks. I had my hair installed without having to retouch anything. I really do like this hair. Everything is gonna be in the description box. I do like this hair, but the curl patterning could be a little bit better. But yeah, just stay tuned for the videos. Just not much, you know, to talk about. I'm just going to be reinstalling my hair because it was time to reinstall it. It was lifting and it was about, you know, 11 days old. So that's the longest my wigs probably ever lasted without having to touch it up, anything, like even the edges, anything, because I did about 5 coats. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let me know what you guys think and if you guys like curly hair on me or straight. My hair is on there like super tight. Like, it's on there super tight. So that's why I use like about 3 coats. I'm not for sure how I want to style it. Like, I don't know if I want to just do it natural and just have it like just there. Obviously I'm gonna wet it and stuff. Or if I want to do half up and then half down. I might just have it just going natural until like a couple days, until I feel like I don't know, what y'all think I should do? Doing this method had my install laying flat. I installed my hair 10 days ago, so basically like about a week ago, and my hair been on there super tight, and I did not have to redo it. So applying like about 5 coats and letting it dry works so good. And I'm gonna show you guys the glue I use. I get it from my local beauty supply store. I used to order Erica J. She's a YouTuber that I always watch that do hair, but sometimes she be out of stock, or a lot of times shipping take forever. So I go right to my local beauty supply store and get the even red, because if you subscribe to my channel, you guys know when I do synthetic wigs, I always use the even spray and it be lasting. So yeah, it works so good. Yeah, everything looks good. That's why I don't pluck, because the more you pluck on your first install, it's gonna be harder for you to keep it up. That's why a lot of my, every time I get human wigs, my wigs be lasting about 2 to 3 years because the first time I install it, I don't pluck. That's my number one thing I used to mess up. When I first get a wig, I will pluck so much. And you gotta know, curly hair do shed when you detangle, when you comb it. So you can't keep plucking a lot because when you comb it and detangle it, it's gonna come off. So my hair still look nice. I mean, it's still full, it's still natural looking. And I don't need to pluck it, but I'm just not for sure which way I want to wear it. If I want to just keep it natural, or if I want to put it, I don't know, I might just keep it natural. And then what's coming up? Easter coming up. I might think about doing me a ponytail for Easter. I don't know, you guys. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna put this back on my head. Normally I would oh my gosh. Normally I will go sit under my dryer for about 30 minutes. But it's supposed to be time to pick up the kids. So I'm going to just put this on it. You can get this from a local beauty supply store, or you could get this from Amazon. Amazon be having a pack for it. You can find literally everything from Amazon. Just put this on it like that. You guys might be wondering why was I pressing it back. Normally I would press it back just a little bit to just get all the hairs up so I could get so it could be easier for me to lay the lace down. But I really pressed it like really super good because I was thinking about putting some up and leaving some down. But then having it like this, obviously me wetting it and stuff, it looks natural. So I don't know if I want to do it like this. I don't know yet. I just don't know. Not going nowhere special this week, just to work. So I think I might just wear it like this. And then for the week and then Easter, it's like in 2 weeks, I might put some up, some down. But the style I was going for was pretty much like a girly hairstyle with have some up and then have a little two curly things. I might do that for Easter where I'm taking my kids, but for right now I might just leave it natural. I really love this hair. Update on this hair. I really love this hair. I give this hair 8 out of 10 because why do I give out of 10? Sometimes the curls would be so pretty, but the ends would be like not so pretty. The ends it would still be pretty, but the ends would be like, you see how it's pretty right here, but then during the day it get real poofy, like kind of look like, I don't want to say the word nappy, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. I might show you guys towards the end of this video, but other than that, the hair is pretty. I really love this hair. It could be a little thicker. That's the only thing. It could be thicker, but when this hair dry, it do gets real thick. It really do get thick, so let me not lie about that. This hair do get thick, but I'm just so used to 250 density. I think this is 180 density. I'm used to doing 250 density when I get curly hair, but it is cute though. I really like this hair. I really do. It's not that much shedding. It's easy to manage. Lace is easy to blend. That's one thing I like about it. It is ear to ear. My head is big as hell, and this wig is big head friendly. I actually have room in the back, so I had to have my mom get the 2 straps and tie it together because it was a little loose. So if you have a small head, I don't know what to tell you, but if you have a medium and a big head, you're just gonna have to tie the straps. That's the only thing about AliExpress. They don't give you the options to order a size small, medium, or large cap. I really like this hair. I really recommend this hair. This hair is pretty. A lot of times I just go to sleep, wake up. I don't have to do nothing to the hair. I would just put the hair like this, tie my hair with a scarf, wake up the next day, and just fluff it out. That's it. So yeah, if you guys interested in this hair, I'm gonna have the link below. You guys can see, I'm gonna have the link below to the video that I did when I first installed this hair. But I think I am going to keep this hair natural looking, just because I don't have nowhere special going I'm just gonna just, you know, just have it natural looking. Just have it just there. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I didn't even soak down and wet it. I had like just missed it. I don't know how if we can style it. So I'm gonna take this off because it's making my head hurt. So see how it just look natural. So I give one day I'm just gonna wear it like this, or if I just wanna flip it this way, I might flip it this way. Pretty much can wear it however I want to wear it. It is a 13 by 6. So I think I'm gonna wear it this way. It looks more cute. But it's just natural. It is cute. It's giving that's your real hair, bitch. Period. So or during the day if I'm just like, oh my gosh. I'm just kidding. You know how those girls are. Or if I just want a straight back. Or if I want to like put in a ponytail. Do whatever I want to do to it. But for the most part, I probably like flip it. I like wearing it like to one side, but just like no part. This hair is super cute. So make sure you guys comment, subscribe. subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and leave a thumbs up.